The Moffett M4 truck-mounted forklift has earned a reputation for delivering top performance. Our engineers were looking to make it even better. Meet the next generation of Europe's most trusted truck-mounted forklift, Moffett M4 Nx. With a complete redesign, you get a lot more out of it. Better performance, easier maintenance, enhanced styling and improved safety and comfort. Like a Swiss Army knife, the Moffett M4 Nx is the definition of versatility with a seriously efficient power-to-weight ratio. It has new split rear doors and easier access for daily checks and routine maintenance. Ground start enhances safety in use, making dismounting the M4 Nx even easier for the operator, no matter the location. A redesigned bonnet offers better visibility, plus LED lights and interlocking seatbelt further enhance operator safety. The M4 Nx models now provide reduced cost of ownership. You get faster and quieter operations, reduced fuel consumption, and lower carbon dioxide emissions. When you invest in the new Moffett M4 Nx, you get the next generation truck-mounted forklift that delivers more than just top performance. With easier maintenance, increased comfort, and higher safety. Which means your Moffett M4 Nx spends more time at work, making more deliveries for you.